Welcome back to Taco Potato Mustang. It's been a while since I put up my last video because I haven't been able to make a lot of progress recently. My wife and I are fostering a dog, and she had 6 puppies about 6 weeks ago, and they were fairly low maintenance for the first, I don't know, like 4 weeks, and the last few weeks have been completely insane. So we are still spending a lot of time and energy taking care of them, chasing them around, cleaning up after them. But I just wanted to put up a video to share a little bit of updates in terms of what I've been working on and what's coming next for the Fox Body Mustang project. Made a little bit of progress on the body molding stripe. Got mostly cleaned up on the front bumper. It's not perfect there, but it's looking a lot better. Also got underneath the 5.0 emblem and behind the driver's side door, but then on the rear, it's not looking great. And also, if you look at the rear bumper, it looks like there's like white part over the gray residue that was everywhere else here. So yeah, I still need to do the passenger side here and behind the door, and definitely need to get the body molding on the doors either replaced or painted. So somebody on the forums told me that the stripe on the door sections is more difficult and I should just try a little bit harder, but I'm an idiot and I actually ended up burning a little bit of you can see it right here, of the plastic, and I made no progress on the stripe. So I'm not gonna fuck with that for now. I'm just gonna try and get as much of it cleaned up as possible, and then probably get my wife's assistance in adding the new stripe. And then I've been thinking a lot about getting a replacement rear bumper, because it's, you know, probably the part on the car that drives me the craziest, because it's got the damage here, which is pretty nasty looking, and then this is pretty scuffed up. I don't think this can be fixed, but maybe I'll see if there's a shop that'll take a look at it. I mean, a new bumper is like at least $300, and then you have to have it painted. So I don't know, we'll see. Other thing that I got some work done on is there was a number of like dings and like spots where there was like paint missing or rust showing, like on the front fender on the driver's side. And it's not perfect, but it looks a lot better than it did. And also I did the same along the windshield, and I need to figure out a solution to some of the rustier spots. Like this is definitely the worst one. I'm a little bit concerned about some of the rust that's kind of like it goes in front, like it goes down a little bit further. It seems like it'd be a little bit more of a pain in the ass to get fixed. I don't need the car to be perfect. I just want it to look good from, like 10, 20 feet away. So yeah, if you have any suggestions on how to handle the rust on the roof, drop a comment and let me know. Yeah. So you may remember from my last video, or I've probably mentioned this in a few videos, one of the things that I need to do is replace the copper lines that were running from the brake master cylinder. So I just decided I'm going to go ahead and replace the whole thing. I think I figured out a solution with some help from people on the internets. Got my 93 Cobra brake master cylinder here. It came in the mail a few days ago, and it came with actually, yeah, here it is. I got the installation kit, which is just the part that covers the rear port brake line. And then I ended up ordering this. It's kind of expensive. It's like a brake line kit from National Parts Depot that somebody recommended. It came with like a bunch of stuff that I don't know if I'll actually need. I mean, maybe, I mean, look at this thing is like almost as tall as I am. I don't know if I'll actually need it, but maybe if I do get an opportunity, I can replace it. And also the thing that I did need was the small brake that I'm hoping this will be the solution for the front port brake line that comes out of the master cylinder and goes to the proportioning valve. Also today I picked up some what are called flare nut wrenches, and these should help in getting the brake lines out of the master cylinder as it currently sits. The other thing I'm waiting for, and hopefully I will have tomorrow, is some brake fluid, because I do have to do a bench bleed on the brake master cylinder, and I will have to add new brake fluid when I get everything installed. Probably the thing I'm most concerned about is just making sure I don't get brake fluid everywhere, and making sure that I properly bleed the brakes once I get everything installed. So I'm gonna try and get started working on that soon. So we'll see how it goes. So when I started working on this video, I foolishly thought that I was gonna get at least some small things done. But as I mentioned earlier, still dealing with the puppy monsters. But I did get brake fluid, and I need to get one other thing. I need to pick up another can of Port 15 so that I can use that on the rust that's on the shock tower underneath the master cylinder. I'm hoping to do some work on that this weekend. And also one thing I got was a firewall to hood seal. The one that that was on the car was looking pretty nasty. In fact, I actually have that's not it. I actually have pieces of it. When I pulled it off, it broke into like multiple pieces. It's pretty bad. I'm hoping this one will do the trick. Yeah. So I'm hoping this weekend I can start making some progress on the brake master cylinder, and then hopefully my next video will be a lot more, will show a lot more progress. So yeah, but in the meanwhile, let me show you part of why I haven't been able to get shit done. Wow, so well behaved right now. Lady, what are you doing? Lady, come here. Lady, come here. Lady, come here. Okay. Lady, come on. Come on. Anyways, these are the currently well-behaved monsters, but they'll undoubtedly go insane again before the end of the evening. Anyways, thanks for watching. I hope you like my video. If you're new to the channel and you like my videos, please hit subscribe and keep an eye out for more progress on the Fox Body Mustang project. Peace out.